Hi dear friends, this is Casey from Guangzhou Jewelry Company. We have an exhibition in Las Vegas in American from 7 August until 9th August. We come from Guangzhou. We are the factory to make the zipper machines and slider machines. Also, we have a workshop to make the slider and zipper. So if you are interested for different zippers such as nylon zipper, plastic zipper, metal zipper, or invisible zipper from the long chain to be finished, you are welcome to visit our booth. In our booth, you also can check some slider and some band accessories such as dog hook, o-ring, buckle, a chain. So you can see this is some photo about our factory for your reference, okay? And here is our company and our team. Our booth number is C1 61010. We are here to wait for your coming.